राधा सर, do you have last 5 minutes?
Go on.
आपने जो कल वो मर्यादा वाला पार्ट बताया था, कैन यू प्लीज रिपीट इट वंस, लाइक दैट जस्ट हिट होम, तो एक बार जो लोग आज सुन रहे हैं उनको भी.
Yes. So Maryada means drawing a line. So you should never cross your line. And in life, this is a principle. If you apply, you will be successful everywhere. So yesterday I had given this example of Raja Ram, whom we consider as an ideal leader, also called as Maryada Purushottam. Purusho mein Uttam, great among men, among leaders, the one who knows Maryada. Since you already heard it yesterday, I'm going to tell you a new story and a new example to understand Maryada. Ready for that?
Totally.
Absolutely.
Okay. So let me tell you, again going back to Ramayana. Okay, let me quote an example of Hanumanji. Okay, Hanumanji always knew his Maryada, his limits, never crossed the line. So there's a beautiful instance where the whole Vanar Sena has reached up till Rameshwaram, and they have to go to Sri Lanka and bring back Sita. Now, as you know, in the warfare, you don't go and attack anybody directly without actually sending your spies. तो उनका जो टारगेट है वो सीता माता को लेके actually do it. So what are they doing? Very clearly, they have to send somebody. And it is said Hanumanji goes there, finds out, and he has to come back. Now, please understand, Ram also could not go the way Hanumanji went. He flew over there. Raja Ram could not do that. He went over there. He actually found out Sita ji, and said, yes, she is there. And he actually burnt the whole Lanka. He had so much power that he actually could have bought Sita ji back and said very easily, हो गया अभी कोई लड़ाई की जरूरत नहीं, I have done my work. This is where we actually don't understand that even if you are capable, you should not do it. फिर से मैं आपको बताता हूँ, आपके प्रोफेशनल करियर्स में ये बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा आपको. Even if you are capable, if you don't get the instructions, don't do it. मुझे बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा बोलता है, ये मेरा बॉस, अगर मैं बॉस बन गया तो आई कैन डू इट बेटर, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. दैट्स वेयर द फ्रिक्शन स्टार्ट्स. It is not about capability. It's about understanding that I should not cross my limits. So Hanuman ji could have easily bought Sita and said, देखो प्रभु जी, हमने सीता माता को लेके आए. And Ram would have said, अरे बकवास, why did you do that? I have to still go and meet Vibhishan. There's a lot of other work that I have to do. So maybe when you think about capability, you should not forget that your purpose in that game is different. So my dear friends, I just want to tell you, Hanumanji is great because he was very clear what to do and what not to do, even if you are capable. So याद रखिए, जिंदगी में आपको अपना मर्यादा कभी क्रॉस नहीं करना चाहिए. It will backfire in the long run. But if you follow your maryada, you know what to do and what not to do, you will be successful in the long run. I hope.
Radha sir, can I add
Yes,
on
please.
top of
Yes,
this
please.
very
Yeah.
quickly? So लक्ष्मण, मैं रोल भी करता हूँ
Wow.
हनुमान लीला में.
Wow.
इतने सारे लोगों को नहीं पता है तो मैं बताता हूँ. तो जब लक्ष्मण ना शेषनाग का
जी.
अवतार है, और वो जब वहां गए थे
जी.
स्वयंवर में, बिकॉज तो वहां आतई के धनुष तोड़ना है, तो जनक ने बोल दिया ये कि मुझसे भूल हुई कि मैंने ये प्रण रख लिया कि जो धनुष तोड़ेगा वो ही सीता जी से शादी करेगा. तो जनक ने एक चीज बोली कि मुझको ये मालूम हुआ पृथ्वी वीरों से खाली है. अब वो है शेषनाग के अवतार. तो बोलते हैं सच्चे योद्धा सच्चे क्षत्रिय अपमान नहीं सह सकते हैं, जिनको सुनने की ताप नहीं वो चुप कैसे रह सकते हैं.
Wow.
रघुवंशी वीरों के होते हुए अनुचित वाणी कह डाली है, ये शब्द हृदय में चुभते हैं पृथ्वी वीरों से खाली है. तो वो तोड़ सकते थे. तो उन्होंने रामचंद्र के, अगर हुक्म आपका पाऊं मैं, ये धनुष पुराना चीज है क्या, सारा ब्रह्मांड घुमाऊं मैं. और तो बट उनको पता था मुझे नहीं तोड़ना है ये, दिस इज नॉट मेंट फॉर मी. एंड वो जैसे आपने बोला अपनी मर्यादा में थे, एंड वो बैठ गए और फिर रामचंद्र जी खड़े हुए और उन्होंने वो धनुष तोड़ा. बट ही कुड हैव डन इट. So just wanted to add that point.
Beautiful point. Beautiful point about Maryada.
Oh my
Loved
God.
it.
12:40 in the night and it is so beautiful. I don't want it to end.
But I think I will have to end my talking and maybe listen to somebody else before I quit for the day. Please continue.
Yes,
Sure.
can I just ask a question?
Yeah, Shweta.
Yeah, just 1 minute. Yeah, so I wanted to ask, like, writing a book is also like getting out of your comfort zone, especially
Yeah.
for someone who's not an author or like a full-time writer. So,
Hmm.
like, you have written like more than 20 books now.
Yeah.
Like, what are your suggestions to go through the process while writing the book?
So I think the same question was there yesterday, and I would like to say that if you have an idea, please write your book. If you come to my office in Mulund, you will see a small write-up that I have kept on my desk to inspire myself, and it says maturity is the ability not to quit till the work is done. Okay, so who is a matured person? जो अगर काम शुरू करता है तो खत्म करता है. Three kind of people who write books. One who only keep it as an idea in the mind. मुझे किताब लिखना है, आइडिया भी अच्छा होगा, लेकिन वो कभी कलम पे आती नहीं है. They never pen it down. Okay, so first category is just keep it in the mind. Second category is very interesting. They start writing but don't complete it. Okay, because they lose their what is a josh, होश नहीं रहता है, and all those things. They start writing, but they feel who's going to read my book, क्या होगा, कैसे होगा. But the third category is the one which you should be. That is, if you start, complete the book. Okay, so idea kuch bhi ho, it doesn't matter. Okay, don't keep it in your mind. Start writing, and once you start writing, don't stop, complete it. And of course, yesterday I explained the process that first is you write a book, then the publisher is there, and the marketing is there. In fact, yesterday Manish sir was there. I was just telling keep completing, keep writing. Now they're getting offers for second and third books. So let me just tell you that the first book is always a challenge. Okay, second, third, 40, 50, 20th आराम से होते रहेगा. पहला कंप्लीट कीजिए, and if you want any help, I'm always there to personally guide you also if required.
Beautiful. Okay, Radha sir, I'll let you go. So sorry to keep you, here
No,
for
no,
so long.
no. I'm happy that at least people are getting some value addition. नहीं तो ये बकवास करते रहेगा और ये की बोलते रहता है.
No, no, no. It is such a fan moment for so many of us.
No. I will keep continuing and learning from each other. I'll be around. Want to listen to other also. So please give me some permission to listen more rather than answering questions. Thank you.
Sure, sure, sure. Thank you so much for being there.
Yes, thank you.
We
So
have
much
Neeraj
valuable.
sir, Kal, and Dr. Tanmay also. So if any of them wants to go next.
And Kushbu also, Arpit sir, I think people would love to hear to Arpit sir also. So whoever wants to go first, I think can really go ahead and share your thoughts on what would it mean for you and something about your life experience about getting out of or stepping out of the comfort zone.
Can I say something now?
Sure, sure.
Go ahead, Kal.
For hosting this space. Yeah, they're absolutely brilliant. And Radha sir, I've never heard you before, and I randomly came here and heard you, so it's been absolute privilege. I've been a business guy all my life, really, with all kinds of different journeys, all the way to being the one of the people running Best Buy in the US for a Fortune 50 company, and all the way along the lessons that you were sharing, Dr. Radha was sharing, totally resonated. The general sense of not using your power because you have it was the strongest one for me, and not using your position or your power